What's up guys, this is Outback UK and today we are reviewing the Fire Maple Star x2 cook system. In this box you get one lid. Here it is out the box, the cook kit. Let's have a look inside. So the handle folds down like this and it's pretty good. As you can see here, it has a button there where you can click that and it lifts it back up to secure the lid. Right, let's look inside. It's got a nice lid with a little vent for boiling things and a nice silicone handle. A pot stand for your pan, so these just bend out like that. And then you put your pot on top, your, not the pot, your pan, sorry, and you can fry things with it. Now I've used this, so it's got a gas canister in it. The gas canister hooks up like this. But when you've used it, this will still be hot, so do not, whatever you do, put your gas in here like this, or that will explode. And then you've got your actual burner. It's got an igniter there, and it's got a reducer and regulator. So you can turn that to reduce it and turn it back to not reduce it. So how this works is, you get your gas canister, you screw that on there like that, so it likes that, nice and tight, but not too tight to ruin the O-ring. Then you turn it on a bit and light it. Now it does go down to a nice little simmer there, or full blast is that. So I've actually boiled water within 2-3 minutes of this. It's really good. You just attach this onto this like that, clicks in, and it also comes with a pot stand, so you can unclip this and then you can put that on like this. It's a bit of a nightmare to get on, but once it's on, it stops you from easily knocking it over. So let's get to testing how fast it will boil water. Right, I'm going to test it out and put some water in and see how long it takes to boil. So let's get hold of it here. I'm going to turn it on, like straight away. So you can see it there, I've got some water in here. I'm just going to place a bit in and make a cup of coffee. Because it is really cold in the UK at the moment. It's snowing, so as you can see there, put some water in, put the lid on, and let's wait until it starts boiling. So I will be putting the timer up on the screen when it is done, but already I can see bubbles at the bottom. So there's the there we go, put on full blast. So that won't take long. I've got my coffee cup here, which I'll be doing a review on that soon. It's the Wildo Camper Box set, and one of the spoons for it. Start to bubble. Literally doesn't take long at all to boil. Now I've used this going up the 9 standards. Never actually cooked a military ration pack in this, so it boils pretty quick and it starts to warm up your food nicely. So almost. Once it comes to rolling boil, then it's good enough for a coffee. Not quite yet. Mind you, it is a noisy thing, but it warms up your food nicely. And also fire maple do other items such as the pan, I think the candle light and other things. There you go, boiling. Let's turn this off and unhook this like that, and then it's really easy to hold to fill your thing, so you just do that. And there we go, nice cup of coffee. So as you see there, that didn't take long at all to boil, and very easy. So that is the Fire Maple Star 2 Jetboil. Hope you like this video, and I'll try and make more videos once a week. And this channel is going to have fishing, reviews, backpacking and camping and bushcraft stuff. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy this one. Thanks.